Hold everything up.
Violet over.
Hold everything up. Hello.
Okay, what's your present?
Hold that coat up, Ed.
Right here. Look at my son. Is he just...
Look at all those bills in there.
I got them, man.
He'll take the big. Look at my son. Look at this son. Look at the poster, the hat, the shirts.
Does he like New York or what?
BYU.
Is he a New York fan?
You New York?
Who do you like? Who do you like? Hornets. You can't even spell it.
He used to like Indiana Pacers. Then he liked the
Hey, how are
Hornets.
things going?
Yeah. Jeff, don't do that. Jeff, get it off. I know. It wouldn't fit. Turn it around.
This is Santa.
Oh.
H-O-R-N.
Jeff, it doesn't fit, bud.
Seat on the table, the remote control thing, a hot shot.
Just-
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho.
Card?
Card.
A card?
Card. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh.
And you open up, it said you'd be jelly too if you only had to work one day a year.
Should say record, huh?
Yep. There's Grandma and Mom and Jill. And there's our pretty Christmas tree for the cabin. And over here there's Brent and Ariel. And there's outside the snow. My dad's moving me. And then there's Lee right there trying to fix the lamp. There's Kim, and she's gonna have a baby pretty soon. There's the bear and the bear. And this is just a really, and we're waiting for Joe and Rex so that we can eat. And
You're really good. You do a really good job.
here's my dad.
Thank you. Okay.
We're getting a close up on those nose hairs.
Turn it off.
And that's about all.
Your mom.
Oh, I was going to say
Heather.
picture would be too much like.
How about Elizabeth?
Are you taking pictures?
No.
We're on F.
F?
Happy Lee.
How about Francis?
Winona. How about Leona?
We have your present.
Leona?
Francesco.
She's standing on her toes. Look at Winona. You get
No,
Nona.
Francesco.
Stay there, Jill.
Okay, come here. I don't know who brought me my stuff.
There's Scotty. There's a present.
Scotty.
There's Aunt Joe and Uncle Rex. She's laughing at me. We're videotaping.
We're videotaping.
Yes.
Did you hike up?
And there's Grandma and Jeff. And
If we
she just,
beat you, you got a problem.
We do. Sorry.
and then we're just waiting. Wait.
For Richard.
For Tilda.
Anybody want to meet
There's Jeff and Corey.
Turn over.
Ariel, say hi.
Hi.
Hey, honey. And there's Jill and her Christmas outfit. And there's all of these bags and presents for Christmas.
Alicia. Leave it.
There's my mom. She's being very Christmassy this day. And then there's my dad. Say hi.
Like Marie, but it doesn't fit.
Dad, say hi. And there's Ben and Ariel and the bear. And I'll get Richard as soon as he comes in.
Where's that? Where's that?
Oh, okay.
Baron.
Joe, do these need to be in the fridge?
Yo.
No, that.
Oh, this is recording now.
That's Josh Earth.
There's my mom. Mom, say hi. Oh my heck. All right, that's Corey. Hi.
Josh Earth. He's a world leader. I still like Felicia.
Okay, go, Dad.
Better than Felicia. That's happy.
There's Lee,
Felicia, Nani.
Rich, Ariel, Scotty, and Lex. And we're just waiting for Richard, and then the party's gonna start. And
Elise, say hi.
there's Elise. Say hi, Elise. She's being shy. And we'll all just come back when we open presents and Richard comes. right? Let's okay, well, fader's not gonna work, so bye-bye. Okay, this is Richard. Oh, it's not. Oh. There's Grandma. There's Lee and Rex. And Richard just got here. And his girlfriend will be here later. He's a little depressed because she didn't come. So he's not feeling too good right now. But hey! Whoa, earthquake, whoa! Whoa! Everyone is going upside down! Everyone is upside down. Hey! Does it hurt to be upside down? Dad, does it hurt to be upside down? It's overjoyed. Another way. There's hold on. Those are the chips we ate. And it's kind of the same room I was filming in before. Chopping my gum to make my dad mad. We've all gained a little weight tonight.
I know. I'm sorry.
There's all the present that is here. And then I'm gonna go with it now.
Well, we're going
Let's go now.
to Richard some food here, but then we're going to clean it up.
Grandma, say hi.
Hi, Heather.
How are you, Grandma?
How are you, Heather?
I'm pretty good.
That's good. Did you get enough to eat?
Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna puke now, but hey. Alright, well Richard's girlfriend didn't come, so he's a little mad. Down there is where the kids go to play. And then, where are we? Everyone's just kind of mellow out. We're gonna open presents and then I'll be back a little later. Alright, bye-bye now. That's Brent.
You know what we need to
Richard was there. Okay, Brent is opening his. Brent, what'd you get? Show it to the camera. Whoa, what is it?
Lee, if you want to take any pictures with the camera,
They're incredible.
and I want to, hey Dad, can I video camera?
No, you don't have the... This is from Joe to Annalise.
Oh,
I love it. Oh, I love it.
She hasn't had dessert
I
yet.
want to see how cute it looks.
Oh, this is Annalise being undressed.
She had slush all the way down the
Okay. This is just a joy to see people undress people. This is just our whole found family, and we're all just one big happy family. I'll be back in a minute. This is her new little outfit.
Oh, let's see. Walk around.
Welcome, Happy Leaf.
No shoes, no shoes.
Oh,
Show your mom.
Ariel.
Turn around. Turn around.
Go show him. Go show Landry.
Go show Grandma.
Oh.
Go show Grandma.
Come here, Elise.
Come show
let's
Grandma.
see.
This is Elise in her brand new outfit.
Look what I got on my tummy.
Nice.
Tomato.
Is that
I wanna wish you a merry. What is it, Elite?
Open it up.
Open it up. Do you want me to read what it says? Do you want me to read it?
That's like weekend.
I love those shirts, and I hoped you would.
You got the Karate Fighters. Dad, say hi. Jeff, what is it?
Mom,
Jill, move. I can't see.
sorry.
Of Utah Centennial.
This is Grandma's Gift from Lee and Kim. Statehood by Marilyn Brown.
A
Nice.
novel celebrating Utah's centennial. Oh, that's
cool.
great.
Push it off.
Crackers went for $700 at the Humane Society auction.
How much?
$700. Someone paid $700. I mean, it was a.
Here we are again. There's Dad
Not one of mine.
and Derek with his magic trick, showing Richard.
And she, you know what, she has 29 cats.
Uncle
in her
Rex.
house. She takes them from baby. I mean, all of her house just stunk. I mean, you come over to my house and, I mean, you go to her house and go like this.
And there's a
And so
little
she
baby.
loves these, you know, she finds the stray cats and all that.
Grandma's head.
The Humane Society had a Christmas auction. It was 700.
But wasn't it an
There's
auction?
Jill and Uncle Jeff. There's Rick.
It was hers. It was
It was a
hers.
blind auction.
And there's the baby.
You know, everyone that I've shown that to is love them.
Aren't those cute?
Who won?
That's a cute card.
And Grandma's gonna open a present. And here's Brent with his Street Fighter fighting. Wait, Brent.
That's a certificate for any video that Joe does. I'm not giving you one.
And Dad.
Try that again and see if you can be. Just shows that you guys have a lot of the same taste.
Ariel. Ariel. Wave. Here's a beautiful Christmas tree.
I love you, Mary.
Thank you. There's Richard, Brent, Aunt Joe,
Don't need to give Ariel presents. Just give her a
there's Heather. Thank you, Barbara. How do I stop it? Grandma's present that she was just received
Mom, me and Jeff here
from my student.
trying to do the airplane.
Oh,
Me and Jeff here.
I thought it was a cooler. Oh, that is, well, because it has this plastic.
Oh, it's plastic.
That's beautiful. These are adorable. What's the story?
Called Longaberger baskets.
Yeah.
They were handmade. They're one of a
By
kind.
the Longabergers.
Yeah, I mean, it's a,
And there is our other
the
present.
company started
Now let's see what this is.
in New England.
Ah, exact same thing. There's Brad with his snake.
This for 2 years.
And there's another picnic
And
basket.
there's so many.
Picnic basket. Well, we'll see you next time. This is Jill signing off. Later.
And they apprenticed the
Here we are again. Now we're all having dessert. There's Scotty, Mom, Derek, Dad, Uncle Brent, Heather, Grandma, and there's Aunt Kim. And a new baby soon to come. And there is Richard. There is Brent and Ariel. Say hi, Ariel. Look at that lovely Christmas tree. There's Grandma and Richard, Scotty. There's the baby. Hey, baby. Elise.
Anybody likes denim and
See ya, Rich. Hello, Grandma.
They are toys.
Sorry. My eye hurts.
Okay.
And that, Uncle Lee.
all right already.
See ya.
Bye.
Sorry about the incident before. Uncle Lee was tickling me.
Very well. Eating lunch tomorrow?
Merry Christmas.
Yes.
Bye, Merry Christmas.
Mom, can you wave? Kelly. There's Derek. Well, I'm going to sign off again. See you pretty soon on Christmas. Bye. This is all of us after we've opened all our presents. Scotty, Mom. Good.
Hey.
Kim, there's Grandma. There went Grandma. Now she's sitting down looking at that Santa.
You don't got that fireplace. It's too cool in here.
Maybe there's something to do with the wall.
Anyway, this is Joe and Rex doing the cake and ice cream. Nice. Done.
She'll be.
This is me. Hi. Mwah.
She never spills anything is like saying.
Abby never barks.
Yeah.
Hi. This is me. This is Christmas. I love you all. Yes, I do. Hey, all right. Well, let me see if I can see you. You gotta go right down. No, you gotta. Here, I'll get you. So I can get myself. Okay. Hi. How are you? Mwah. Right there. This is there. Okay, Brent, it's off.
Heather, no more, please. Turn it off.
Ready? You're upside down. You're upside down. Earthquake. Earthquake. How does it feel to be upside down? You're upside down. Earthquake. Oh, that's great. You guys start moving around like an earthquake. I've only been doing 10 minutes. I am.
I did that.
Feliz Navidad! Feliz Navidad! Feliz Navidad!
Say bye. This is Jill once again, signing off. Say hi. Mr. Christmas 1995. Down at Connie and Chuck's house. My mom, Grandma, Sean. There's Adrian. There's Stephanie Hartline. She's going to be 4 in a couple days. There's Jill and Brent and Michelle and Stacy. There's a lot of presents down here. Here's Courtney right here. Hi. Hi, love bug. Dad. This is everyone. And my dad was like happy. I wonder why. There is Chuck, Sharon, and John right there. He has a new beard this season. He looks like Santa Claus. There's Connie and here's me. Okay, last time we come on here, it will be Christmas Eve at our house. Bye-bye. There's everyone. There's John. Hey, John. There's Fawn and Sharon and Chuck. There's my dad. Hey, Dad.
Chuck.
There's Adele, Kat, and Connie, Sean, and all the kids. And look at all those presents. I got tons of them. There's TV. And there's Michelle. Michelle! Hi, honey. Can you say Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas, honey. And Merry Christmas, 1995.
Wait. Jeff and Brent have to go open together.
Go ahead.
Oh, that's cute.
Look at the back of them. Read what it says, Jeff.
Street team. Street team too. You mess with me, you mess with the whole family.
Cool.
Are you gonna look at the whole family, Jeff? Turn it down around.
Shaq, Sean Kemp.
What does the basketball say?
Slamming.
You mess with me, you mess with the whole family.
Okay, let's go upstairs and put them on.
It's not the glow you feel.
Yeah.
Daddy, let's go. Mommy, let's go. Mommy.
I love them.
Mommy.
What did you want?
Jill.
Look, it might come in a little pouch. Did you want something like Heather's, honey?
Heather's.
Did you want something like this?
Jill. We're excited.
What do you want? Daddy knows. No, Jill, what would you like?
Mom, can I go upstairs? No, can I go
Just
upstairs?
They were great because they were great. They were just very busy. The friends and neighbor gifts were painted Santa advent calendars and candles with Christmas lights on them. I just need to tone it down. I spend way too much time on them and it stresses me out. Oh, I learned from last year, didn't I?
Hazelwood accomplished that she should be delivered. And she brought forth her firstborn son, and wrapped him in swaddling clothes, and laid him in a manger, because there was no room for them in the inn. And there were in the same country shepherds abiding in...
Go ahead.
Okay. This is my Heather. Say hi.
Hey, Ed.
This is my mom. Say hi.
Hi, Brent.
This is my Hooba brother. Say hi, Jeff.
Hold it. You gotta hold it together.
Yeah. This is Jill putting baby Jesus into the manger. And there it is, 1995.
Jeff, there's a thing that goes up.
Close enough.
All right. There's my dad. There's my piece of brother. There's my dad. Let me do this. There's my dad. 1995 Christmas.
Dad. Jeffrey, you're gonna pull it out.
There's my mom.
B-Smith.
There's my sister. Happy sister.
Of course.
There's my sister.
Open sleigh, dashing through the snow. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ho, ho, ho! Bells on top does ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh! Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
And play. Go ahead.
Real large. I should
Go ahead,
give
Joe.
her a medium, huh?
Wait, hang on, sorry.
I couldn't see Heather's face. So what's today?
Christmas.
What year?
95.
Okay, really slow. Really slow.
Stay behind. Jeff, hurry. I'm gonna trip over your blanket. And then run into the... Don't say anything. Holy! Yeah! Jeff and Brett, look at that. Brett's right here. Got the big one, baby.
No.
Yeah! No. Beef jerky. Nice. Holy cow.
Cool. Jump.
Ooh.
Jump.
I know I got that. Hershey's Mints. It opened.
Move, Mom.
Move, Mom. Oh.
I need to be careful.
Yeah.
Don't like bend it. You can use this sometimes. If you haven't noticed, this is from me, Jeff Schwanneman and his son.
Hold that in,
My own
Jeff.
shack
Hold it in.
meal.
Hold it in, Jeff.
Oh my
Jeff,
God.
hold the tape in. Hold the tape in.
My favorite. That's the only thing I asked for. You bought that yourself?
Yep.
With your money.
Now how do I stop it?
Thank you. Just
Push-
hit the red
Push
button.
it, red button.
Mom, it's right here. We all got
Maybe
it.
he wants me to open up just like you did.
Push it, Dad.
What?
Oh, Dad, open it up.
Does it say record?
Yeah, it says record.
Who's this? That's...
Hey, this is from Brent. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look what he's given me. He's giving me his Michael Jordan thing. Oh, thanks, Ed.
Okay, push the red button.
Good job.
Oh, I don't want to see then. Oh, wait, this is the wrong one.
Shh.
No!
What is it?
It's the Return of Honor ring. Heather!
Wow. Let's
Me
see
and
it.
Brad are opening them. Mom, just tell us. Are these the same things?
Yeah.
Let's see the height.
Whoa.
What are those?
Ball shoes.
Let's see, Ed. Oh my gosh. Your own.
Going down. Come. Outdoor Eddie Bauer. Grab me my coffee, buddy. ahead, sit down. Can you put my rack away?
No.
Yeah, there's a table. Oh, yes!
Oh, jeez, Louise.
What's up with the Huskers?
Turn around. Is that good looking?
Oh, yeah.
Did you have any clue?
Eddie Bauer. Got it! Where'd you get it?
Hey, you don't know who that's from.
That's her name.
Oh, thank you.
Isn't that cute?
That one she wanted.
Turn it around. Look at that.
Vegas.
Uh-huh.
Oh, nice. Where'd you get it? When?
Jill,
What?
Put on.
Do you
Oh, yeah!
do you like this, Jill?
Yes. I'm rolling.
Is it big enough?
I had a feeling it was there. And that's a big coat. But it's nice.
It's a large, but
It's a large, but that's Jeffy.
I like it.
We look.
it's like your bills. It's the same size.
But it's thinner, isn't it?
Yeah.
Jill, is that big enough or too small?
It's great. Hey, Edward. I knew it was this. Legos!
No.
Your own table. It's the table. Edward, this is Amy Grant.
You like that?
Wait to show Grandma.
Here.
Huh?
Be on the paper, babe.
Yes! Oh. Who? Brent. Nice. Brent, open this. Oh, open that. Thank you. Who's it from? Oh, these are so cute. Who's Mice
Change
Master?
everything, so. Now he's got a brand new Hornet.
You didn't pick it out, did you?
Columbia.
Yeah.
We gotta take it with all their new coats.
I'm so excited to go shopping tomorrow.
Didn't you already do this, Jill?
Yeah?
What are you doing? You gotta be kidding me.
What? These are so cute. I don't think so. I think so.
I think so.
Miss Martin. I'll have to go buy some new ones. Oh, Mom, these are so cute.
Say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa. Brent said thank you, Santa.
He gave a bit.
The Santa Claus.
Oh, I want this, Jill.
Yes.
Hey, Eddie.
Cat? Yeah. Oh, I know. When is Grandma Beth coming?
2.9.
What is it?
Barbara Streisand at the concert.
You didn't know about that, huh?
You didn't know. It was that gift that said Kelly under here.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, look at
Okay,
the name.
these are from Dad, boys.
Good times, the bad times. I was thinking, oh, yes! Oh, nice. Yeah!
I told you they weren't for your friends.
Hey, your outfit I saw on the thing. Hey, Heather, remember this outfit? Bye. Jim.
Oh my gosh. I don't think you know who you want. Hornets or Bulls?
Size 5?
5 European.
Here.
Yes!
Here, American.
Kelly.
My head.
Oh my god!
Jill, you gotta be careful.
Told you, Mom.
Put that. What is that? See
All
the
this
sunflower?
paint. That's all she wanted was paint.
Paint. Look, listen. See the sunflower? Put it over there with the woods. Okay, lift those paints up and look at all the wood things. We can put the band-aid. Look at all the wood things.
This is
Jill.
the awesome Christmas.
The ceramic.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Jill?
I'm never gonna bug you again, Mom.
$185 for the stuff.
Can I
I
open
know. I love it. I want to
Can I-
buy. I'll put that there.
All right, open the top. Heather? Can't see. Wow. Were the boys anticipating something else?
TV. Okay, right. This.
Open one.
PlayStation!
before you and Chris even rented it. You know that, Jeff?
NFL game day. No way. Oh yeah.
Look what's in that one. Look at that one.
Game included rigor racing.
Jeffy.
Paddles. Yeah. NFL game day. You know what? Phil Downing was trying to rent this.
Okay, let's see yours, Brent. Let's see, turn around. Jeffy, where's yours? Turn around. Heather, turn around. Turn around, Jill. Okay, everybody pick up one thing that they got. Okay. Let's model it, Mom.
It's kind of a Christmas stocking.
Aren't you going to wear it? Where is it?
It's a Christmas stocking, Jeff.
Okay, show it to him. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Heather. Kelly. No.
Is it a boy or a girl?
Sit down. The girl.
The girl? Her name is Chloe. Yeah, thank you. I got 2 feet. Yeah, Mom.
Nice big. Well, I wasn't. You guys. Who told you about it?
No, I just knew because you're talking to Brooke. She wants to come out. Hi, Chloe.
Okay, put her down on the ground so everybody can see her.
It's a girl.
Put her down on the ground so everybody can see her.
Is she really crying all night?
Oh, yeah.
Where'd you put her?
No.
She slept with Dad and I.
No. Oh, you guys.
Where do you think we were? Put her on the ground.
Try to get her out.
Okay, get down on the ground and do it.
But she's scared.
She is. She's scared.
She's shaking. How much?
No. Excuse me. Excuse me. Put her on the ground.
What kind of?
Put her now on the ground.
Everyone knows.
Hi.
No, Jeff. Kelly.
Oh, she loves
Kelly.
me.
Excuse me.
Oh my gosh, I was crying last night.
I know you were, Heather, and I wasn't going to tell you.
Come here, just put her on the ground.
No, she loves to be hugged.
Excuse me. That's not the name.
Yes, Chloe. No, it's Deal. It's a girl. It's a girl.
It's KG.
You guys.
Katie.
KG.
Why KG?
Casey and Gigi.
Tell us name Gigi.
No.
Yes.
JTT.
If we,
Jeff, is it mine?
if we let her, she'll be little. If we grow her hair out, she'll be one of those pampered little dogs like
Oh,
this.
we're not gonna grow her hair out. No, don't
Or-
grow her hair.
She'll be those one.
How big will she get? I want to hold her.
Heather, could you put her on the ground so we can watch her run around?
Can I hold her?
Jill, move.
What do we name her?
Here, see, this is her hair. She'll grow it out.
Let's cut it. Brent, let her come this way.
No, let her
Right here.
see what Brent's
Right
like.
here. See, this is what she'll.
Yeah, let's like stabs.
You guys don't
No,
want
I like it like this, short. I know, yeah.
Okay, Brent, let her walk around. You see what she's doing?
She needs to get used to the house. What do we
Look at
name
her wag
her?
her tail, you
How
guys.
big will she get?
She loves you.
Mom, how big will she
That's
get?
about it.
Look at her.
Brent,
Come here, Sonny.
Jill,
Can I hold her?
Just let her.
Heather, Jill, let's just let her walk around.
Look how happy she is.
Do you want to go running with me? Do you want to go running
She just
with
peed.
me? What do we name her?
no, just sat down.
She probably did.
Can we name her Chloe? You're just kind of nervous. Huh?
Yep, she did.
Yeah,
She
did.
peed. That's all right. Dad, it's this big.
Yeah, yeah.
That's all right. Huh?
That's interesting. Let's take a picture of the first pee. It's a dot. We've got about 20 of those
You know
on the
when dogs
cover.
are nervous, they pee? And I'm
No.
serious about that.
Let me go get underwear.
She really slept with you and Dad? Where did you get her out of the newspaper? I got to show Mandy.
How long ago?
Huh?
Is this what you talked to Brooke about?
Yes.
Wait.
I did great.
Sonic.
Sonic's a little rascal.
Grant. Wow.
3, 2, 1.
You want to get some weed out?
She'll keep up until you get down.
Dad, you want to get Gizmo?
Turn it down, Jill.
You act like this is a baby.
Yes.
She's only 6 weeks, Jeff. No, I mean a baby.
Oh, she's scared. You have to change this up a bit.
Hi, this is Gizmo, our dog.
It's not
I had
Gizmo.
9-8. We voted. It was 4 against 2. I got extended time. So shit shoe on you.
What did you just say, Jeff?
Shit shoe.
Where's the book that shows us what she could look like? Show us the front of that book. That's sick. Let's see the front. There's no way.
This is what you weigh. You want to keep her like this.
Is it gonna be like them, Mom? Mom.
Like this?
Let's see.
No.
No. Show us what it's gonna look like.
That's what it's going to look like. Okay. You want to keep her hair like that.
Suck. We'll cut it.
Like this?
11th place. Yeah. That's law. And there's other games like video.
Uh-oh.
You just woke her up.
Jeffy, go help Dad. Dad did something.
Oh, look at this. Watch. This is the guy I
Still
know.
maybe too small.
Look at this.
but-
Watch this. What is it? Look how I fight. No, it's
Way-
not a large.
Way too small.
Dad, watch this. Watch this. Watch their awesome moves. Hold on. If they can do their cool moves, they go. Watch this. Boom, boom. That's the best. That's what I'm ugly.
Oh, look, she's scratching now. Abby, meet your new sister. The best looking sister you got.
No, no, no.
Oh, look at her shake.
No. Come here.
No, she's fine.
I think Abby would absolutely love her.
They will when she gets a little bigger.
Abby Puppy.
Yeah, right now.
Oh, yeah.
She'd probably knock her
over.
around. Yeah.
She's not cold, she's just excited.
Oh, you don't bite. When you bite me, you don't even hurt.
Look Don't let her bite you, Heather.
Didn't even hurt.
Okay, have her come over.
She's like, get me away
Look.
from that.
See?
Get that away from her.
Look at her. She's
Okay.
doesn't want
Is
the
she?
dog.
Are you afraid of her? Oh.
How can I?
She kind of just looked right past the dog right up to Heather.
She did.
Chris, talk about your